Hello traders, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the time and price theory. Okay, so we are going to look at how we can time our entries within the ICTQ zone. Okay, and so before you be able to trade easily within this time frame, it's best to set your trading view time zone to the New York time zone. Okay, and then this is how you do it. Let me quickly show you. You come to the bottom panel here and click on this time zone, and then you look through it and select UTC -4 New York. Okay, and this is your New York time zone. When you click on it, it will set your time as if you are in New York on the trading view. Okay, and so after setting it, you should be able to mark your time zones. You have the London Q zone, which starts at 2 a.m. New York time to 5 a.m. New York time, and then we have the New York Q zone, which starts at 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, and so this is how you do it. You can see I've marked my New York time zone here from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and this is my New York Q zone as I have labeled it. Okay, of course the London Q zone is there, but this trading this setup happened within the New York Q zone, so I'll be using just the New York Q zone. Okay, so let's look at this setup. We can see that we are bullish, right? We are breaking highs, making new highs on AUDJPY. Okay, we break structure here, we pull back, fill this imbalance, broke structure again. Okay, we fail to come to the imbalance, which means price is showing a lot of strength, and we broke structure up again. And so looking at this price, and we are trying to buy from a discount. Okay, so if I should fib from this low to this high, we are looking for price to at least come to the 50% region for us to buy. Okay, so this is a new trading day. So for a new trading day, we mark our midnight open price, midnight New York open price, which is 12 a.m. as I have marked here. Okay, so as you mark your 12 a.m. open price, okay, okay, did I show you guys my 1 hour fair value gap? Okay, yeah, it's here. This is where I'm looking to buy from. Okay, it is within discount of this price range. I'm looking to buy from here for continuation. Good. After that, you need to identify the midnight open. Okay, you put this longitudinal line here on the 12 o'clock line, and then you want to mark and extend in time the time that the candle opened. Okay, you can see the candle open here. Okay, so that's our midnight open, and as ICT teaches, it teaches that if you want to buy below the open price, the midnight open price. So we are going to patiently wait for price to roll down. It first creates a fake move to the upside, rolls down below the midnight open, and that's where we look to buy. Okay, you can see we have a little trend line liquidity here. Those who are buying previously, trading their stop loss, there's liquidity here. This is our gap, 1 hour gap. We look for price to come into it together with time. Over here, price comes into it. Let's go to the 5 minutes to see how we could have entered. On the 5 minutes, this is our Q zone, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York Q zone. Okay, price comes into it. This is where we want to be looking for buys. Okay, until this time we are doing nothing. We just have our levels marked and waiting patiently to come for price to come into it. After price comes into it, we wait for this Q zone to time our entries. Okay, so as price comes into it, you can see that we break structure here. Okay, BMS here, good, and then we break structure here as well. Very nice and good. Okay, as we break structure, we then mark our fair value gap within this leg. Okay, so within this leg, you can see that we don't have any fair value gap here except here. Okay, except there. And so you mark your fair value gap, and that's this indecision candle's low to this candle's high. and then within this is your gap. Okay, so as you mark your gap here, you place your long position within the 50% of the gap right here, and your stop loss is going to be below the candle that formed the gap, which is this candle. That's where your stop loss is going to be. Okay, very nice. And this is like this 5.9 pip stop loss. See how tiny it is. And then your target will be at the 1 hour high. Okay, at the 1 hour high. So yeah, this will be your target. Okay, and then after it hits that target, you can leave a small lot size to run all the way in your favor, and you can see that price went all the way to give us 6R. That's crazy. Okay, so if you really want to have very great entries, okay, with minimal drawdown, you should be able to time your entries within your kill zone. Don't rush to be in the trade as soon as price is inside your POY. Wait patiently for price to react, break structure, mark your new zone on a lower time frame, pair it with your kill zone, either 7 to 10 a.m. New York time or 2 to 5 a.m. New York time. Okay, so thank you guys. If it's not that clear to you, watch it over again, and I think you will be good.